like you're getting aggressive, kind of. And then you just gotta flick that forward with your thumb.
And push this back?
Nope, it's already got ready. You just gotta flick that forward and it'll be ready to fire. Want to do another?
Yeah, during the shot.